Futures showing a little bit of red on the left-hand side of your screen. Let's bring in Michael Lee, Market Watcher of the Morning. Michael, I think there's two stories dominating the financial news. Number one, the debt ceiling, and number two, the takeover of the market by big tech. Let me start with the debt. Let's be wildly positive for one moment. Suppose there's a debt deal before the deadline. Big stock market rally?
I'd say short-term Treasury rally. I think somewhat of a stock market rally. I don't know how big. This debt ceiling drama is in my mind, in my opinion, a media creation. I mean, there's more than enough revenue coming in to cover Social Security, Medicare, interest on the debt, and the defense budget. So it's a prioritization of payments that needs to be done by the Treasury Department, which they're not too pleased with. But it's something that we will get through. It's just a matter of, is it this week or is it a month from now? I'm guessing sooner rather than later, because it seems like the Democrats are willing to come to the table and negotiate now, which means that something will get done.
Okay. When the deal is announced, as you suggest, then do we get a rally?
Minor. Nothing major. Short-term treasuries will rally because they're trading as if there's going to be a delayed interest payment at the moment. So you're getting over 5% in the 1-month treasuries, 5 1/4, 5 1/3, somewhere along those lines. So you will see a short-term rally there. But beyond that, I don't think it's much of a much.
Okay. Big tech has, I think, led the rally. It's certainly done very well this year. Does it now sell off? At what point do we reach a top in big tech and we start selling? Are we close to that?
You know, Stuart, for the overall market, you want to see what they call wide breadth, where it's lots of stocks making new highs, lots of stock leading the market. This is one of the most narrow rallies we've ever seen, and a lot of it has to do exactly with what you said, big tech through artificial intelligence, AI. SocGen just came out with the stat that without this AI surge this year, the S&P would go from up 8 to down 2, so a 10% swing. So I think you sort of fizzle out, but this artificial intelligence looks for real. I'm a big fan of that ChatGPT in terms of putting together content. It's amazing what this artificial intelligence can do. I don't really think we know the limits or the applicability of it yet. And until we do, until you can kind of put your arms around that, I think we keep going with this leadership, unless, of course, something massive changes, and I don't see that in the short term.
Michael Lee used to be the Super Bowl. He ain't now. Thanks, Michael. The opening bell is ringing. You can hear it. She presses the button. So does